Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to install Binance on your Windows PC or laptop step by step. If you don't know, Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency trading platforms where you can buy, sell and trade hundreds of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and many more. So if you want to use Binance directly on your computer instead of your phone, this video will help you set it up easily. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Binance. Don't open website that is sponsored. Scroll down and open this one. So this is Binance homepage. Scroll down to QR code section. You can also download Binance on your mobile by scanning this code. As we are downloading for Windows, so click on Windows icon. The Binance setup file will start downloading automatically. Wait for it to complete. Once it's downloaded, open your Downloads folder. Now open the Binance setup file. Now choose your preferred language here. Now choose location. If you want to change it, just click Browse and select folder where you want to install it. Now the installer will begin installing Binance on your PC. Wait until it's done. After installation, check this box and click Finish. Binance app will open automatically. So this is main interface of Binance. Now you can log into your account or create a new one if you're a new user. That's it, you've successfully installed Binance. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.